Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to transfer your cryptocurrency from crypto.com to Kucoin using an easy method. This process involves just a few straightforward steps to ensure your assets arrive safely. We will begin by preparing your crypto.com account for withdrawal, then move on to finding your unique deposit address on Kucoin. It is crucial to pay close attention to the network selection to avoid any potential issues. Let's get started and make this transfer smooth and simple for you. To begin, open your crypto.com app and head over to the account section. From there, select the cryptocurrency you intend to send, for example, Tether or USD coin. Next, tap on Transfer, then Withdraw, and finally choose External Wallet. You will need to add your Kucoin deposit address here. Always double-check that the address is absolutely correct before saving it to prevent any misdirected funds. This step is foundational for a successful transfer. Now let's switch over to Kucoin. Log into your account and navigate to the Assets section, then select Deposit. Here, you must choose the exact same cryptocurrency you are transferring. This is a critical step. Ensure you select the identical network, such as ERC20 for Ethereum or TRC20 for Tron, that you will use on crypto.com. Copy the unique deposit address provided, and if a memo or tag is also given, copy that too. Accuracy here is paramount. Back on crypto.com, select the Kucoin address you just added and enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. Before confirming, meticulously review all the transaction details. Verify that the network selected on crypto.com precisely matches the network you chose on Kucoin. Once you are certain everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal. Transfers usually complete within 5 to 30 minutes, but this can vary based on network traffic. Congratulations, your crypto is on its way.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.